Ay, hindi pa pala. Meron na pala ang question dito. Okay, bago tayo makalimutan. This one. What is the limit of square root of x as x approaches 0? Before we go to infinite limits, okay? Anyone? What is the limit of square root of x as x approaches 0? Answers? Napakasimple. Ano sabihin niyo, sir? Napakasimple. Kinakabahan kaming sumagot. Trick question ba yan, sir? Anyone? What is the limit of square root of x as x approaches 0? Sino pong gusto sumagot? Okay, some answers. Again, kung kayo ay nahihiyang mag-chat, ha, you can send me a direct message. Okay, some of you are already doing that. Oh, may nagsabi, does not exist, does not exist. Oh, 0. Yeah, 0. Okay. Again, let us go back to the question from a while ago. Yung tanong natin kanina, isa sa mga tanong ko sa inyo, kapag ba may function value, automatic may limit na kaagad. That is the case actually for square root of x. Ano ang square root ng 0? Siyempre, ang square root ng 0, the principal square root of 0 is in fact also 0. But then do be very careful. When we talk of limits, we are actually also considering, when we talk of limits as it is always two-sided limits. Okay? So now let me show you. Yeah, sabi ko na nga, trick question siya, di ba? Trick question talaga. Actually, this is one of the nicer example para talaga if you want to somehow ma-push yung idea sa inyong mga students for those who are teachers. So talagang kailangan nyo mag-ingat sa mga one-sided limit. Kasi automatically ang gagawin nila, plug in, 0, tapos na. Dahil kasi, ito kasi yung graph niya. Remember, the graph of the square root function, tandaan niya? Ito yung graph ng square root function, yung semi-parabola opening to the right. Yon. If you're going to trace the graph from the right, may limit siya from the right. The limit of square root of x from the right of 0 is in fact 0. However, the function is undefined from the left. So wala siyang limit from the left. Ano sabi natin kanina? Para magkaroon ng limit, dapat two-sided yung limit natin from the right and from the left. But then for this one, from the right lamang siya, walang from the left. So it means that really for this one, this limit does not exist. So just be very careful. But ayaw na naman sumulat. Ayan. So sorry again sa penmanship. Does not exist. So this limit does not exist. Bakit? Dahil kasi wala siyang limit from the left. The function is undefined from the left. However, it has a limit from the right. The limit from the right of 0 is in fact 0 then. Okay? So, ito yung isang mga bagay na pwede nyong isubi sa inyong mga pa-exercise sa mga students. So, if you really want to test if they understand the idea that they have realized the importance of considering one-sided limit, this is one classic example. Because if you plug in 0, square root of 0, 0 nga naman. But then, wala siyang limit because it has no limit from the left. Isa pa. Paano to? Limit of cube root of x as x approaches 0. Kasi sabihin niyo, question na naman yan. What is, di ba naging maingat na kayo ngayon? What is the limit of cube root of x as x approaches 0? Naging maingat na ba kayo? Ano yan? Nakakakaba na ba? Trick question na naman. Di ba? So, yeah, may naglagay na 0, other answers. Yan. Okay, so syempre hindi naman lahat ng may radical, especially kapag yung radical ang index ay odd number. Dahil di ba pag odd number yung index ng radical, that is defined for any real number. In fact, if you're going to get a graph of this, yan. Meron siyang limit from the right, meron siyang limit from the left. No problem. In fact, substitution will work for this one and the limit will in fact will give us 0. Ingat lamang dun sa mga radical na even ang kanyang index because again, square root, fourth root, sixth root, they are only defined if the expression inside is non-negative. Okay? Yan. Sige. Okay, so punta tayo sa kailangang gagawin talaga natin. Sabi kong infinite limit, nakalimutan ko lang itong extra exercise. So you have some activities that you can probably use if you're going to teach this. Sa mga teachers na nandito, yan, some things that you can probably use. Okay? Sige.